Siopadóireacht 1. Play and pause this video, repeating each sentence as you move down the page, but you must get out of your seat and try to do the actions. By Friday, hopefully you can answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. Cabhrú, Sonséile, ar díol, Roír. Fáilte, an féidir lom cabhrú leat. Is féidir. Cad atá uait? Tá gansaí cé bhéad atá ar. €10 atá ar what leat é a cheannach? Ar what lom é a cheannach? Seo gcuid an tarigid. Gur maith agat, seo gcuid do chuid Sonséile. An bhfuil aon rud eile ag teastáil uait? An bhfuil an brístí ar díol? Tá sé ar díol, €20. Sin Roír, slán agat. Welcome, can I help you? You can. What do you need? Gansaí. I need a jumper. How much is it? €40. Would you like to buy it? I would like to buy it. Here is the money. Thank you. Here is your change. Do you need anything else? An bhfuil an brístí ar díol, are the trousers for sale? They are for sale. €20. That's too dear. Goodbye. Notice how we answer with some of the question. An féidir lom is féidir leat is the answer. Cad atá uait? We've in the answer. Ar what leat? Answer is ba what lom. Remember, you must do the actions, make a little drama out of it, try answer without looking at the actual answers.